In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your stick drift on your Xbox controller. Now there's a few different steps here to try and fix this, so I'm going to show you the one that has worked most often from what I hear, and then I'll show you a few different additional ways. So first is these sticks, these analog sticks, we're going to go ahead and we're going to rotate them for about 10 seconds clockwise. That's counterclockwise. And then we're going to rotate them in the other direction for about 10 seconds. We're going to try and move around any debris that is in the analog stick, so just covering the sensors. And then we're going to press in on the joysticks, press in, and while holding in, rotate them clockwise again for about 10 seconds. And then we're going to, while holding them in, we're going to rotate them the other direction, so counterclockwise about 10 seconds. And then after doing that, if you're still having problems, you can move the joystick, press in to try and create some separation and open up some areas there, and then you can spray some compressed air or blow on it to try and move around any debris that might be tripping the sensors. And so you can do that for both joysticks to try and dislodge anything that might be causing the stick drift. And it should be as simple as that. So hopefully you're able to fix your stick drift. This is most likely a temporary solution, so your stick drift might come back after a little while. I just recommend following those steps each time to try and make it an easy experience and to fix your stick drift. So hopefully you found that helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.